Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo, and today I'm sharing my Ikea haul with you guys. So I was out at Ikea and filmed a Christmas shop with me, and I needed some things for the house, which is why I went. Now some of these things are for Christmas, some are household items I'm going to use for Christmas, and some are just household. So the reason I went to Ikea was lighting for our kids' rooms. It's really hard to decorate their rooms and have lamps on sort of dressers and desks because their space is so small. It's one more thing on that tabletop. So I wanted wall-mounted solutions and I found them. So for our boys' rooms, I picked up two of these. They are a dark matte gray finish. They look a lot like a street lamp and they were $14.97. So I was nervous when I first saw them because they had them mounted to shelving and I just want them on the wall. But then upon investigation, I found out they could actually be mounted to the wall. So I picked up two, fingers crossed, these work out. We're hoping to do that this weekend and get them up. Now last summer we redid our daughter's room. I redid our daughter's room and kind of made it a little bit more grown-up, adult, boho style. She already has one of these lamps in her room. So if you go back and watch that video, you'll see this already in her room, but I wanted a second one. So let me turn this so you guys can see. This is one of their wall-mounted fixtures. This part is like a silver nickel, and then this is a really heavy plastic woven shade. It's oval and it's white. So they have it displayed like this, but in her room, we actually mounted it like this, and I wanted a second one to do the exact same thing on the opposite side of the room. So hopefully you can pick up the texture of the shade. It's really pretty. Definitely more on the feminine side. So lighting, check. Now, so this is just a very practical item. I always pick up their toilet brushes because they're 97 cents. They come in black, which I love, and white, and I just always pick them up when I'm there. Something I always look at, don't always buy when I'm there, are their little potted plants. So this one had to come home with me. This is the most full I've ever seen one of their little potted plants. These are $4.99. This one's kind of on the boxwood side of greenery. And I just thought this one was such a good size. It just seemed to tower over all the other ones I've seen. So these are very realistic looking, and I think I'll probably keep it out for Christmas. I just picked this cute little bucket up at Hobby Lobby at 50% off for $2.50. So I thought those two went really cute together. Now, something I always try to pick up are their batteries. It's very close in price to places like Costco, but with Christmas coming and all of the battery operated candles and fairy lights, I thought I'd pick up some. These are double A's. You get 10 for $2.97, and they have all kinds of batteries. If you're a mom of little kids and you have those books where you can push all the buttons that need replacements, they sell the button batteries there, and they're pretty cheap. So I remember buying them there when my kids were little. Okay, some non-holiday related things, and one of them I will use for the holidays, are the table runners. They had quite a few of them on clearance. Now this one is just kind of a beigey khaki background with the diamond woven in white, and these are 14 inches wide and 51 inches long. They're very, very thick, and these were on clearance for right around $3.50, and I believe normally they run $4.99. So I picked two up. I'll probably use those spring, summer, but they also had these surprisingly on sale. They're red table runners. So these were a little bit cheaper, I believe, like right around $3, and just the red was on clearance. So I don't understand, but I will reuse this for Christmas, 4th of July and summer, and also for the holidays. And yeah, it's just a table runner. I don't know why I'm so excited about it. I currently have very boring table runners, which is why I'm excited. I have the ones from Bullseye's Playground that are cream with the red stripes on them, and those were only $3, but they're really pale, so the pop of color I think is going to be a lot of fun. Now, this is one of their things that they always have, and it's a good buy. They're 79 cents. They're just little tea towels. They do have the red stripe on both, and they're super light. I don't think you could really turn this into much of like a pillow cover because it's almost see-through, but I thought they'd be cute to have during this time of the year. And something I wanted last year and I didn't pick up, I just didn't have the time to fool with it, is this rug. Now I picked this up with a project in mind. So this is just sort of an entryway throw rug. I think it was right around $3 or $4. And it's a really creamy background with the red and black stripes. Love this color combination. And I want to fold it over and turn it into a lumbar pillow cover. So it's my colors, and it was cheap, and it's a really heavy material. And I had thought to do it last year, but I was traveling a lot and that went right out the window. Now, another thing I always pick up when I'm at Ikea are the reusable bags. So they used to be 99 cents. Now they're $1.99, but they're very large and they have almost an umbrella feel to them. So they're kind of like waterproof without being truly waterproof, and they hold a lot. So I always pick them up. I'm doing gingerbread in my kitchen for Christmas. And in the past, I've always just taken little boxes, made little houses into them and out of them, and hot glued graham crackers to them and let the kids decorate them. But this year I was at Ikea, so I had to pick up one of their adorable gingerbread houses, and this was right around $3.50. I am so excited. This is gonna be a mommy craft. I am totally gonna do this all by myself and not even have any guilt about it. Now, they do show on the side all of the pieces, so check yours out if you're gonna buy one, because a few of them had broken pieces. So I'm excited about that, a little too excited about that. And then lastly, before I take you guys outside to show you my larger item, these little Christmas trees. How adorable are they? They're that really heavy plastic. I think these will look great for years. They're $3.99. They're right around 12 inches, but that's from the very bottom of the pot to the top here. And I think these are gonna sell really quickly. They're just super cute. If you can't get out to Ikea, I know Walmart has a set of 3 trees. They may be flocked, but they're right around the same price. They're $12. But these, I just had to pick up a few, so I got 3 of those. And now let's go outside so I can show you my treasure. So I brought you guys outside to see my treasure from Ikea. This is a ladder-backed chair or stool, and it's something that they have sold for a while in their bathroom organization area. I actually picked it up on clearance in the front of their store in their clearance department. It had been used in the store as display. Still has some command hooks there that I'll take off. And I just really liked it. I knew exactly where I was going to use it, and I am going to be painting it. But I got it for $30 instead of $49.99, and that makes me very happy, especially since I had thought of purchasing it before at full price. So that's my little treasure. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all my goodies from Ikea. I hope you guys are able to find some goodies that make your happy place a little more happy, and I'll see you guys back very soon in the next video. Sometimes you just gotta film it over and over and over. And the trash man comes and the dogs bark. It's all good. It's all good. Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo here, and today I'm sharing my IKEA haul with you all.